In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ticketing system in Asana. In order to do that, you first need to head over to asana.com and click on this Get Started option right here in order to create an account. Or you can also click on this Login in order to log into one. So in my case, since I already have an account, let me proceed to actually log into it. So here is my Asana board. So this is what it will look like. So what you can do is you first need to head over and create a project. I've already done that, and here is what it will look like. Now into this case, next thing we need to do is make sure to have this to do, doing, completed, and drop options. So you can also add in here in progress options if you would want. Into this case, let's head over and customize it by clicking onto this customize option. From in there, select forms and click onto this add option right here. Now from in there, you can just input right here the form that you have. So for example, let's input right here ticketing or IT. So this is what it would look like. You have in here this, you have in here some email address, as well as adding right here queries. For example, let's input right here new question. Let's input right here, what is your problem? And input right here some options like add question description if you would want, and also single select option. Let's add it as a require right here, or we can also create it as an answer option. After that, proceed to click on this publish. Once you have added right here a form, you can send it to people. And then those forms should be able to be added right here with those fields added right here into your task. So with that way, you can actually go over to your Asana task, go over right here to customize, and then for this, head over to the rules, click on this add right here, and then add in here some assignment. Like for example, you can head over and assign tickets with particular people if you would want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.